welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be opening up my BoxyCharm base box for the month of August 2022, and I think this is going to be my last base box from BoxyCharm. So I will get into that in a minute. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. We open up subscription boxes, and also on my channel, I do a lot of makeup content. I do cooking videos, and sometimes I do talk about mental health issues.
Oh, the things we do.
If you are into any of that, or say you're into all of that, then I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, set it to all, so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So I am taking suggestions for a new subscription box to unbox on my channel. I have a poll up on my community tab with some suggestions of some boxes that I would like maybe to unbox. But if you have suggestions, leave them down in the comments, because there's boxes I've never heard of before that I might be interested in.
Roxy box. A box full of rocks.
And if you go over to my community tab, you can vote there or leave your suggestions there. I would just really appreciate it either way. So let's go ahead and see what is in this base box.
The little box. It tries hard.
Yeah.
Bless this little heart.
And this box is
some amount of money.
Some amount of money. I never remember. It's close to $30 now. And I just don't think it has been performing very well. And you get 5 items in this box. You get to choose one item in this box. You know it is the base box when you open it up. And it is red on the inside.
Also, it's smaller than the other box.
You get a card with a theme. This theme is Dusk Till Dawn.
I felt like I've seen this theme before somewhere.
We did just film the premium box unboxing. So
on we go.
On we go. Okay. Also, anything that I see like in base boxes that I want, I can always buy it in the Boxy drop shop. So like, my choice item for this month is the Glow Recipe Melt Retinol Eye Cream. I just got an eye cream in my premium box.
This one has avocado in it.
So let's read about this.
Guacamole in your eyes. Reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. Long-lasting actives released to help moisturize, brighten, fight fine lines, and depuff. MSRP $42. Avocado.
The other one was $90. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see what it smells like. Hey, it doesn't smell like avocados. Not like avocados have a smell or anything.
They kind of do.
You think so?
A little bit.
Okay, the next item we have is from Alley Oop.
Stack the odds.
Oh, hey, this was a choice from last month. The multi-use face stacker. I didn't want it then. I don't want it now either.
Stack your face. It knows and it doesn't want you to open it. It knows it's not wanted.
Okay, I don't want to tear this. Okay. Good thing I have the scissors on the desk. Okay, here it is.
Ooh, it's fancy. It's all modular.
I might put this in a giveaway. Okay, it just flips up.
And it swivels off the top. It swivels!
Okay, I'm not going to swatch this, but it is a cool idea.
You see. Ninja.
So that's pretty cool. It's just...
Like, click the 3 out, and there's like brushes in between your fingers.
It's not something I need right now. So I'm probably going to put that in a giveaway. Okay, the next thing. What is this? Coconut Kisses.
Ah.
Lip.
Nourishing lip mask. Give them Lala skin. This nourishing lip mask provides your lips with ultimate hydration to leave them feeling soft and plump. A generous layer before bedtime locks in moisture, refresh, soft, perfectly kissable lips. Oh yeah. $22.
Okay. This is the reason I don't need both boxes, because I get lip things out the wazoo.
You're supposed to use them on your lips, not your wazoo.
I do like lip masks, but I just have so many of them.
Your wazoo will be soft and moisturized.
Okay. That's nice.
What? It's nice, isn't it?
Well, that's nice.
That's lovely.
Okay, the next thing I have is from Tanaya's?
Sunset to the Stars lip oil. This ultra shiny gloss is infused with nourishing coconut oil, again with the coconut, and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate, plus a sheer, shimmery pink tint you can build with each stroke. MSRP $27.
I do love a lip oil. Pardon the other swatches.
Is it sheer? Is it shimmery? I think it is.
Uh-huh.
It is indeed sheer and shimmery.
That's a nice little... That's cool. I like that. Okay. Not bad, not bad. But if you watched yesterday's episode,
Yesterday on Jennifer Loves Makeup.
if you watch my premium unboxing, I mean, I got a lip gloss in that one too. It just comes with opening subscription boxes. You just start seeing the same things over and over.
It's a terrible burden.
And just like this, it's the Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle.
Galactic. Velvety and easily blendable, this metallic cream shadow formula creates a high reflex, sparkling finish that's easy to apply, blends easily, and wears all day. Planetary intergalactic.
Okay, this is what it looks like. I am not going to swatch this either. I will probably put this in a giveaway.
What kind of color is it? Kind of bronzy?
Yeah, it looks kind of bronzy. See?
Yep.
And metallic-y. I just don't usually use these kind of things on my lids. I just really like powder shadows. Yeah. So I don't think I'm going to be missing this box at all. I just need to
move on and think about the good times that you and the box had together.
So in this box, I got the Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle. I got the Tanaya's Sunset to the Stars lip oil, which is pretty cool. I got this eye cream, which I love getting eye cream. I just have so much of it, but I do like eye cream a lot. And I got the Coconut Kisses Nourishing Lip Mask from Give Them Lala, and this Alley Oop Stack the Odds, which is in Sassy Pants.
Wow.
Which will be going into a giveaway as well. So, what is the retail value of this box?
Retail value is $149.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
I gotta say.
Which I think they promise 125, 150, something like that. So, they do. It's nice to see brands like Glow Recipe in here. I don't expect to see like brand names in the base box. I do expect.
Don't forget the Girlactic. It's one of the best brands in the Girlaxy.
I do expect to see brand names in the premium box. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this BoxyCharm. Do you still get the BoxyCharm base? What did you get this month? Are they box twins? Anything like that? Okay, so again, leave me suggestions for boxes down below, or go to my community tab and do the same. Take the poll, and yeah. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. Go check out my other social media sites. I am on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and those are hyperlinked down in the description box below.
Hyperlinked.
And yeah, I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you're not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. That's my new thing now. Okay, and if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay, take care. Goodbye.